Alright guys, let's answer another common question. Why some doors cannot be set on the walls? As an example, I'm going to try setting this door here, but I won't be able to do so. I'll get this error. Why do you think that is? You know what guys, let me show you this. I'm going to set another wall here, a wall with more thickness to it, and the door would be set on it without any problems. Let me change my view range to show you this whole thing even better. See? So guys, the thing is, this door family has this frame which has fixed dimensions or size, you can say. As an example, in this case, we got about 15 cm. So obviously, the frame cannot be set on a wall with less thickness than this, like for example, a 10 cm wall. And well, when we can't set the frame, we can't set the door either. Now, what's the solution then? Well, it is quite simple. You can always go with another family, or you can modify the dimension here, which would give us another family, actually. Take a look at this. I'm going to enter the family template and remove the unnecessary components. And the result would be this very simple and basic wall without any detail, and it would be set on this wall as well. So guys, let me tell you this, a better way to go with here would be using parametric families this way. For example, the dimensions within the door family would automatically be specified based on what we need or what we have in the wall. Yeah, I mean, either this or you could always modify your families as you just saw.